Hello friend, how are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. And you?
I'm also doing great, thanks. May I ask you some question about can lesson?
Sure, you mean?
Alright, can you practice English with your friends?
Yes, I can practice English with my friends.
Well, what can you learn from this book?
I can learn English and some vocabularies from this book.
Well, when can you get here?
I can get here at 9:30 a.m.
Well, where can you speak English?
I can speak English at Prime and in my home.
Well, why can't you speak English well?
I can't speak English well because I don't know how to speak English well and I don't practice English always.
How can you use the internet?
I can use the internet by using mobile.
Well, with whom can you chat?
I can chat with my friends and with my classmates.
Well, from which book can you learn new words?
I can learn new words from Prime English Academy's book.
Alright, whose car can you drive?
Sorry friend, I'm 12 years old. I don't know how to drive a car, so I can't drive anyone's car.
Alright, to whom can you send money?
I can send money to my mother.
Alright, for whom can you buy a mobile?
I can buy a mobile for myself.
How long can you walk in the morning?
I can walk 30 minutes in the morning.
Well, how many words can you learn in a day?
I can learn more than 20 words in a day.
Well, how much water can you drink daily?
I can drink more than 5 liters of water daily.
Alright, what kind of mobile can you use?
I can use a smartphone.
Who can help you to learn English?
My teachers and my friends can help me to learn English.
Well, who can help the poor?
We all of us can help the poor.
Alright, it's your turn.
Okay, so may I ask you some question about a good lesson?
Sure, it's my pleasure.
Could you come here yesterday?
Yes, I could come here yesterday.
Well, what could you study last night?
I could study English last night.
For what could you go abroad?
I could go abroad to explore new places.
Well, when could you finish the course?
I could finish the course at last year.
Okay, where could you practice English yesterday?
I could practice English at home yesterday.
How could you go to Dhaka?
I could go to Dhaka with my parents and friends.
With whom could you watch TV last night?
I could watch TV with my family last night.
Which subject could you study last night?
I could study many kinds of subjects such as English, Bengali, mathematics, etc.
Okay. Whose lesson could you learn?
I could learn my teacher's lesson.
Okay. Well, to whom could you send money yesterday?
I could send money to my parents yesterday.
Okay. For whom could you wait?
I could wait for my friends.
Well, how long could you study last night?
I could study last night about 2 hours, but I studied 1 hour.
How many sentences could you make last night?
I could make 100 sentences last night, but I made 50 sentences.
How much money could you earn last month?
I could earn about 1000 taka last month.
Okay. What kind of lesson could you learn last night?
I could learn my teacher's lesson last night.
For where could you buy new dresses?
I could buy new dresses from Johor shopping center, but I bought from Amirashad.
Okay. Who could visit Cox's Bazar last year?
I could visit Cox's Bazar last year, but because I didn't go to Cox's Bazar ever.
Who could buy a mobile for your parents?
My brother could buy a mobile for my parents.
Okay, so now I would like to finish our conversation here.
Okay.
Thank you.